So now we're going to the next adventure, another house that is right here at the lighthouse zone, where you can connect to this place through these sidewalks. These sidewalks are going to connect to the main one that also goes around, and that's how you can get to your property. It's very common that these easements connect every home, and also you can see the fences that divide the lots. Every property has its own title, so you can have a freehold ownership of your property. So how we're gonna get to this one? Hey, I just found a new friend here. Look at this. Hey. You see? I just found a new friend. Anyway, to get to the next house, they put this arrow. Arrow? Yes, arrow. So we're gonna go straight to the house. Let's go. I told you we have a new surprise looking around the little 𝗣𝗏𝗖𝗘. A beautiful home with this. I was not expecting to see a huge theater. They have a projector, speakers all over, and you can tell right away this place is for having fun. Big sides, windows that you can have a great view from the outside. And something else that I noticed is why and how they designed this concept. They told me, Carlos, that they want to have a place for renting, for living when they come here. And what they did is the 2-level units. But in the meantime, I want you to come with me and see what it's like, these beautiful units. Look, stairs to make that transition to the dining, and the kitchen's right there. Yes, I like this concept. Definitely is for a party, vacationer home. And of course, you can tell all the light features and everything. Actually, they really designed the classic concept of the kitchen with everything you need. It's just perfect. I like it. So here you are. Again, this big size here, enough for a dining area. And then the stairs that will go to the second apartment, which is evidently on the second level. Right here, we have the laundry area with its bathrooms and toilet, everything is just one here. So guys, I forgot to tell you that the owner of this house allowed us to stay here, and I have to say thank you so much for that opportunity. And you know what? When you walk into a property, it's hard to express what it feels like, only when you stay there. And I can tell you, as soon as I arrived here to the little 𝗣𝗏𝗖𝗘, we got to here at night. This is the room that I stayed. I have AC, windows and everything. There is a half bathroom right there. And of course, you have all the conditions to set up your stuff. And you know what? This place is actually very comfortable, quiet, peaceful, and this is your units just to relax with your own half bathroom. So actually, this is one of the 2 bedrooms we have in this place. And the idea is to have independent units so you can rent this place out easily to groups or single people. Yes, this is the second level with, you can tell, its own independent unit. A kitchenette right here, everything, appliances, your table, sofa, open, great view. I can tell the views from here is just beautiful. Right here is perfect for your guests. You have books, shelves, all windows, and everything you need, you know, to make you feel comfortable. And of course, we have this one. He has his own bathroom right here. Boom, full size shower and everything you need. Water heater, everything, AC, air conditioning in the rooms, perfect. And this door gonna take me to a closet where you have all the electrical panels, so they organize it to keep it hidden, which is a great idea. Now, walking through here, coming from the stairs, right away, open concept, nice tiles on the floor, and then right here, you open this door, and is your unit with double bed with nice colors. There you go, and you have your own TV. Look at this, very cool concept, hammocks, and then they have another section over there where you can catch the moonlight and get a good glass of wine, or simply come here, sit in and relax. That's rule number one, relax. So here guys, you can see a beautiful platform where you catch the entire view, all the trees, long corridor surrounding the second room here upstairs. And then if we walk to this way, what we're gonna get? Yes, another extra section where you have a power plant, a generator. So one thing is very important to know about the island. As you know, at the island, everything is about efficiency and also save sources. So they cut off the power from, I think, 8 o'clock in the morning until 1 p.m. at the afternoon. That is very important because the island is organized in that way to save energy. So be aware of, if you buy a property here or you're gonna start building a house, always keep in your mind to complement the equipment with a generator, because that's gonna happen. Thank you guys for watching this video today. Thank you so much for following us on YouTube. If you are looking at property at Little Corn Island or Great Corn Island, I'm gonna give you at the description below the contact of Érika Aldana, who's been helping us to find these great deals. Especially for those people that say, Carlos, I want something ready to go. I wanna have a house with fully furnished, with a view or with the ocean front at Corn Island or Little Corn Island. So thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to have these units specifically in all the social media, and here you are, my telephone number, WhatsApp and email. Thank you Medio, who's behind the camera. Thank you for following us, and don't forget, I want to see you at the next adventure.